Today we will be streaming music with Apple Airplay to your Fusion Stereo. For today's video, we will be using an Apple iPhone and the Fusion MS-RA770 Marine Stereo. Your Apple iPhone will need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your stereo. You will need to connect to an external router if your stereo does not produce its own Wi-Fi signal. See the link in the description if you need assistance setting up your Wi-Fi. Begin by connecting to your stereo's Wi-Fi network on your Apple iPhone. Select Settings. Then select Wi-Fi. Select your desired Wi-Fi network to connect to. Enter the password if prompted. You will see a check mark next to the Wi-Fi network once it is connected. Now that your stereo is connected, start playing your music and locate the AirPlay button on your Apple iPhone. Select your stereo. The stereo you selected will now play the song selected through Apple Airplay. You can now stream your music over Wi-Fi to your stereo or multiple stereos on the same network. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.